We didn't do any good yesterday, so we thought we'd come out here and back to Wilson's and do a little walk maybe. We haven't decided. We're just getting started. Figured we'd come see how the fishing was. See what we can find. See any goodies on the ground. Because you know me, I like finding those goodies. We're going to start with seeing if we can find any bobbers over here. Because bobbers are pretty cool. But I never showed you guys this. This is kind of a little setup what they have here. Tells you about the ponds. Tells you the other deal during your visit here. What you should be doing. Tells you this. Tells you the rules of each one of them. But, you know, as long as you follow the rules, no big deal. A bunch of coots. Gotta see what we can find. Gotta see what we can find. Usually lots of goodies. I'm not seeing very many goodies today. Not very many goodies at all. Maybe a dead trout? Yeah. Here, bobber.
I think you're taking it. Oh, there you go. Never seen that before.
That is talent right there. One bobber. Can't pass up a good bobber.
Look at all the gear in the trees.
Lots more gear. Look at all the bobbers over there. Woo. Oh, detour. Alright. One bobber. Probably not usable, but it'll look good on my wall.
We found some sort of fuzzy looking critter.
I think it's one of those moles or something.
See it?
Right there. Yeah, it's a mole. One of them, yeah, it's a mole.
Oh, I've never seen him. Look, oh, gopher.
Yeah, gopher mole.
Oh, look at that guy. Must have got a little wet. Oh, sorry, buddy. Your hole drowned in? Yeah, well, you know, get back in there and get in your hole. It's rained so much down here. The hole's probably filled up with water. Yeah? Anything cool on it? Oh. I missed it. Fishy! Little bitty guy. Little bitty rainbow. Sorry, fella. It's right here. Did you get one?
I probably got a cable.
No, pull a cable.
Yep, that was it. That was hook up.
It's a big old pipe. Come on, fishy. They're attacking it. Well, that wasn't what I wanted. Sorry, fella. Didn't mean to. I promise. Caught it by the tail. Oh, poor guy. Just wanted a tail piercing, that's all he wanted. Don't know how I caught him like that, unless there's a whole bunch of them down there. I don't know. That was a pretty decent one. Every once in a while I see.
Straight out, red. Stop. Oh,
Miss it?
got it.
Oh, Matt's caught one.
Ah, that hook's sharp.
Now remember, they got teeth, but they ain't gonna bite you. It's only a trout.
I'll save you.
The teeth are so small, they ain't gonna bite. Someone brought up, I posted on a video, the trout didn't have teeth. Well, they do have teeth, but they still ain't gonna bite you. They might slap you. It's like a boat, too much people on that side of the boat. Tipping over. Save me!
I about fell face first.
Alright, well. You ducky, ducky, ducky.
I think I need a bigger chunk of worm.
Dude, they were going crazy over the worm.
Yeah. You just don't have it too big of a beak. Yeah. They're everywhere. They're fine.
There's a few nice ones in there, though.
In the group, yeah.
Every once in a while, you see a big, nice one swim by.
I have one of the big nice ones trying to eat my wormy. Right there.
There's a nice one right there.
Yep.
There's a school of them literally swimming right here.
Wormy.
I was going to lot them coming out of that pipe.
That's what I was
Oh.
Fishy! It got off. Darn it. Well, you know,
Owen caught one fishy.
we caught one fishy, but we found lots of goodies.
Well, more than one fishy, but one keeper.
Yeah, and one keeper we had to keep. We caught a couple of the different little bitty ones. Some we didn't get on film, some we did. But then I went strolling around and collecting bobbers.
I collected a bobber.
Matthew got this one. The rest are mine. But we're going to add those to my collection. Huh? Alright, well, that was Wilson's Pond. Wilson Springs Pond. Ain't too bad. Could have done better, but it is raining, and I think that really affected the fishing
And the water
and the water clarity.
clarity.
So, I mean, it is what it is. So, well, we'll see you guys next time.